Let me show you an application I built in Remy today. This is called AdForge, which is a quick prototyping video marketing application. You can use this to quickly prototype video ads for your marketing team or your advertising team. So what we're looking at now is the logon page, and this will verify who I am or what my email address is. It will send me a 6-digit authentication code. I just paste it in, and so now it knows who I am. And so I don't have any projects yet, so let me build a first project. And in this, I'm going to imagine that I am doing a marketing ad or a video ad for a brand of cat food. So I have options to either upload my product image, this particular scene or a tab where I am uploading my assets. There are 3 types of assets. Here is the product image, which is a required asset. And then optionally a model like a human model or perhaps even an animal model like I'm going to use in this video. And a scene like where the scene is for the video. And so I also have an option for each one of these to either upload an image or for quick prototyping, I can generate that image. So I'm going to do that for each one of these. I'm going to generate an image. And then in this first one, I want to generate an image. So now I'm going to generate each one of these. I'll just use this image, even though it has a whole bunch of stuff on the counter. But in any case, this is a quick way to prototype ideas and images for the video. Or if you already have images ready to go, then you just upload them here. So now I'm going to add branding information for either my company or the product. And there are 2 different ways that we can do this in this application. One is to reference a website, and it will derive like the product logo and the color palette that your company uses from that website. And then you can make changes if you want to. Or you can add a branding toolkit document that your company may or your marketing team may already have, and it will extract the content from it. Just for now, let's just say I don't necessarily have a logo, but I'm just going to call it. And then here in this target platform, I select which platform do I intend to use this video ad on. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to use this on YouTube Shorts. And then I also have the option to reference an optional video. And if I do that, it has to be a public video, and it will analyze that video for reverse engineer it for its style and guidance on how it was used and then use it for your own product. And then I'm going to select which language do I want this video to be in. What's really cool about this is it could be in multiple languages, meaning it could be a multilingual video each run that you make. And in this case, I'm just going to select English. And so now the script studio in this app is generating a first draft of this video. So now the director here, the creative director, has generated a script for us to look at. And we can revise this script if we want to. We can describe what changes we want to make. And here we see your cat has standards, and then that's the voiceover. And then on screen, it would show that. And then the visual shows a close-up shot of the tabby cat or what have you with striking green eyes that's sitting at the table. And it describes each one of these scenes ready for us to use. And if we want to, we can interact with the creative director here in Script Studio to revise the script. But for now, I'm just going to accept what they have here and continue. So now we are ready to render a video, and we have different options here. We could render as a slideshow, or we could render an AI video, which is what I'm going to do. And then we have the option to include a voiceover that will be in the same language selected. And then it has the script that would be ready for us to go with. So now I'm going to start rendering this video. So now we have our video ready to be played.
Your cat has standards. High quality protein, essential vitamins, a coat that turns heads, 10 Lives premium cat food, complete and balanced nutrition in every bite. So healthy.
Oops, it looks like the video was cut off. So one thing I can do is come back to the project and re-render it, or I can go back and work more on revising this, for example, to say, have the cat eating the cat food. And so now we see that the creative director, which is an AI model here in the app, is making changes to the script. And hopefully this time when we watch it, the cat will be eating some cat food. So you can see that this is a really quick way to prototype ideas for a digital marketing ad for any number of different products.